Okay, so I'm still prototyping my arcade stick. Earlier you saw the PCB when I was soldering up some up to the buttons. This is just cardboard. Again, cardboard is like the best thing you could possibly do for prototyping. It gives you a good sense of space. It's easy to work with. You don't need a drill. All you need is sticky tape and some box cutters. Alrighty, so underneath we've just got the cables. Using tabs, non-soldered tabs, but in the final version I'll solder them just to make sure it's a better connection. Joysticks there, just labeled. Yeah, so this is it. Hopefully this time next week I'll have the final aluminium build all good to go, and hopefully it'll be working.